Hey, hi.
How you doing? Oh, come on.
So I don't got a whole lot going on today. So I figured we'd go on a little road trip in the Raptor, see how it is on the road, and maybe take some cool pictures. So actually we're gonna go do the San Lorenzo Canyon. It's like a slot canyon that's down there that I know people camp in, they ride horses, drive trucks through, all that kind of stuff, and hike. But it's a cool little area. It's only like an hour and a half at most outside of Albuquerque. Dang. These seem a lot narrower in the Raptor than they did in my old 4Runner. It's been like 4, maybe 5 years since I've been out here, so I think I'm on the right road. Like, I'm pretty sure. Ah! Man, I'm pretty good. Actually, I think I came a different way. Last time that was kind of like not the way you're supposed to go, but we made it. San Lorenzo Canyon. Follow the rules. Totally false. Totally false. There's people there. This is a pretty cool spot, all things considered. It wasn't that hard to get to. So I'm gonna strap a GoPro to my chest and we're gonna run around together and take photos. All right, let's take some photos. Today we're gonna be using the same A7R 4, but today we're gonna be using the 1.4 24mm G Master, or the 24mm 1.4 G Master is probably the better way to tell you guys. Right off the rip, let's see if we can get some photos of the Raptor here. All right, so it's golden hour is definitely approaching, and I think it's gonna be a little bit quicker in this canyon. So let's go for a little adventure. Be a nice little shot here. Oh, we're heading where I was gonna go. That's cool. Ooh. All right, well, I don't want to intrude on their spot, so I'm gonna jump in the truck here and let's go find a different one for now. Ooh, this is a nice little spot here. We got some nice light coming through. All right, let's see here. Ooh, nice golden light over there. Let's get. I don't really like it. You know, but the thing is, you might as well just take the shot and see if you can make something out of it in post. If you're wondering, I'm shooting an aperture priority, mainly because that's really all I'm focusing on, is just kind of getting my depth of field down. Like I told you guys in the video where I was shooting the M4 at night, I'm really just trying to get back into the swing of things. And right now, I mean, nobody's paying me for these photos. These photos are just for me, and I throw them up on Instagram. So until I get comfortable with running full manual again, I'm gonna do my thing, and y'all can hate on it if you'd like, or you can just sit back and chill and watch me just get better at this as we go along. Okay, this is a little bit pretty. This is kind of pretty. I'm digging it. I'm digging it a little bit more here. Hope you guys have a decent angle as to what we're seeing. Let's go to a new spot. Look at this. It's like you can thread the light through these rocks right here. If we come here, I hope you guys can see this as good as I can. Oh wow, yeah, this is cool. God, I love the color of the rocks here. Oh yeah, that's what I saw from the truck. Jumped out. Ooh, a nice little flare coming through the rocks right now. Let's see here. Let's change our. Let's see if we come around here a little bit. Not as good. Just not as good. I mean, it looks pretty decent. I ain't complaining. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at that. Just trying to get out here, relax a bit, enjoy themselves. Ooh, the flare is pretty rough. Let's see here if we can minimize it a little bit. Here, if we can get exactly what I'm looking for here, which is oh, there it is, there it is. Okay. It's gimbal time. Let's get some pretty steady video. Be using the Canon M50. This is kind of my go-to video camera right now, which I hope to be upgrading pretty soon here. But it's served its purpose and it's done pretty well for now, so I'm not really complaining. But let's get this thing ready to shoot some pretty steady video and some epic cinematic shots for you all. Well, that was fun. I think I'm gonna come back on a different day of the week. Maybe not a Sunday. Maybe like in the middle of the week type of thing, and there won't be as many people here, so I can get kind of all the shots I want, plan everything that I want to do. And you know, this spot would be really great for a drone, so maybe I need to get a drone and get my Type 107 license so that we can really step up these videos. But let me know what you thought of this one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm heading back home.